Hi, my name is Mariah Tulloch, and I am a senior at Canisius College. I am a health and wellness major with a minor in strength and conditioning. So I've been a personal trainer at the YMCA for about 4 months now, and I enjoy every day of it. I mean, getting to see different kinds of people every day, different kinds of clients to meet their individual needs. It's just something interesting I like about my job. I've been personal training certified for about almost a year now, since last year. I got my certification, and I feel like it's very rewarding getting to, get out there and make an impact on people's lives, help them achieve their goals. And it's just a rewarding experience itself, to help better yourself and, help someone out who doesn't have necessarily the tools or background and education that they'll have to achieve their goals. So just being there to help them is, rewarding in itself. Um, what I would plan to do in the future would be, either still training, either strength and conditioning coach, or just somewhere in the specialty field of the wellness industry. I'm still looking out there. I just got an internship at Stretch Pilates and Fitness, and that is probably the craziest thing I've done. But I enjoy, every day of it, and just getting to get that new kind of experience is just rewarding in itself. So I like it.